A diver pulls up a vial of murky water like it hides a secret, because it does. In 1934, biologists along the Rhine noticed fish vanishing, but no one knew why. So, today scientists use environmental DNA to do what those researchers couldn't, because every creature leaves tiny genetic breadcrumbs in the water, which means a single scoop can reveal hidden invaders, rare species, and even animals we thought were gone. And that twist matters, because eDNA once exposed an illegal carp trade in France that had dodged detection for years. So now that same trick is reshaping conservation worldwide.